Hi, I'm Liam. Want to see how I was made? My whole story was created using just CHAT GPT by Profitron. Want to see how? Come on, it's super fun.
In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you how to use the new CHAT GPT image tool to create full animated scenes. Now, I know a lot of you want to tell stories visually, but without the hassle of expensive software or complicated editing. So today, I'll walk you through a super simple and fun way to do it from start to finish using CHAT GPT with a few free tools. Thanks to CHAT GPT, it's now so much easier to create characters, generate animations, and bring your ideas to life without needing advanced skills or spending a lot of money. And I'm especially excited because I'm going to show you not just how to create everything, but also how to keep it all consistent, how to animate it, and how to make your characters talk, all step by step. Now, so stay with me till the end because I'm going to give you my personal prompts, how I set it up, and show you how to do the whole thing totally free. This will save you time, effort, and a lot of headaches. Here's exactly what I'll show you. How I write my script, how I generate the images, animate the scenes, make the characters lip sync, create voiceovers, and finally how I edit it all into one clean, polished, animated video.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20+ zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Let's begin. First, go to chatgpt.com. On the left side, click Explore GPTs. Now in the search bar, type Animation, Script, Builder. You'll see it show up. It's this one right here. Just click Start Chat. In the chat window, you can describe your project. If you already have a script, paste the whole thing in. If not, just explain your idea in simple words. I'm going to keep it short for this demo. Write a 3D cartoon animation script about a mom and her son Liam. The mom tells Liam not to eat breakfast until he brushes his teeth. I'm just doing a quick test, so the idea is very basic. Now watch this, it starts asking me questions about the characters. How many characters? What do they look like? Any extra details? I just say 2 characters, Liam and his mom. That's it, GPT does the rest. Right away, it creates full character descriptions for both. That's our first step. Next, I say, write the script for scene 1. And look at what it gives me, a full scene breakdown shot by shot. Each shot has narration, a scene description, a text-to-image prompt, and an image-to-video prompt. It even gives you animation-ready prompts you can copy and paste into tools. It's honestly amazing this GPT doesn't just write the story, it prepares everything you need for production. You don't have to figure out shot descriptions or prompt formatting. It's all done for you. Now, let's move on to image generation. I copy the first image prompt and paste it into my image generator. Take a look, here's the first image it gave me. Then I move on to the next shot, paste the prompt again, and here's image number 2. I continue doing this for shot 3, 4, 5. It's super smooth. Sometimes, the character design might start changing between shots it happens. But there's a simple fix. Just upload a reference image of the character and add it to the next prompt. That way, your character stays consistent throughout all scenes. It's something I always do and it works really well. So now I've opened Kling AI. Click Upload Image. Now I grab the prompt for shot 1, which GPT already gave me, and paste it in. Click Generate, and that's it. I've done the same steps for each shot, and I'm going to show you some of the examples in a moment. Now let's handle lip syncing. I use Kling AI again for this part. Here's a shot I generated of Liam's mom talking to him. Right in Kling AI, there's a lip sync option. Click on it. You'll get 2 options, text-to-speech or upload local dubbing. I'm going to use text-to-speech for this one. I copy the dialogue from the scene, paste it, and pick a female voice. Under emotion, I choose angry, since the mom is scolding Liam. I'd click generate, and here's the result.
Breakfast until those teeth are sparkly.
Now, you'll notice sometimes the lips keep moving after the line ends. That's why I want to show you another great option. Let's try Pixverse AI. This one handles lip sync better and works great for stylized animations. Once you're on Pixverse, look at the bottom of the screen and click the Upload Image icon. Pick an image, I'll use this one. Then, paste in the video prompt from GPT. Click Create. In just a few seconds, your animation is ready. Now, move to the Speech tab. Your video will show up on screen with a place to add voice. Below that, type your dialogue or again, just copy it from GPT. On the right side, pick a voice for your character. Here's the result.
No breakfast until those teeth are sparkly.
You can see the sync is much cleaner this time. Even the word sparkly lands perfectly. Try both platforms and choose the one that works best for your style. Now let's create voiceovers for the narration. This is super simple. I'm using 11 Labs, which I've shown on my channel before, and honestly, I still think it's the best for voice. Just paste your narration, pick a voice, and click Generate. That's it, super quick and high quality. Now let's put it all together. I'm using CapCut to edit. It's free, beginner-friendly, and still powerful. I've already uploaded all my files into CapCut. First, drag the narration onto the timeline. Now I arrange all the video clips to match the voiceover, lining them up carefully for smooth storytelling. Once that's done, I add transitions between clips. Just go to the Transitions tab and hit Apply to All. Easy and fast. Now, we add captions, which really helps boost engagement and accessibility. Go to Text, tap Auto Captions, and click Generate. CapCut will automatically transcribe your voiceover and sync the text perfectly. You can customize fonts, colors, and animations by going to Templates and picking a style that fits your video. Finally, let's add some background music. Go to Audio, then Sounds. I searched for Kids to get child-friendly tracks. Pick a song, preview it, then tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. You can adjust the volume and trim it however you like. Once everything looks good, voice, visuals, music, captions. Click Export to finish your video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover the channel. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep sharing tools, tutorials, and tricks that make content creation easier for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and bye for now.